Hey guys, I want to show you a quick tip. I learned this from my dad of how to clean a file. You see how this file has a lot of metal stuck in the cutting edges of it there? You can clean that out of there pretty easily. All you do is you take a nail. I don't know what size nail. The bigger the nail, the better off you are, I think. I just ground the tip down so it's flat. Now I'm going to take it over to my vise, or if you have an anvil or something, and take a hammer and smash this out flat. Make it as wide as you can and kind of thin and tapered like a small chisel. Well, let me do that and then I'll bring it back and show you what that looks like. And once you've got it smashed flat like this, I kind of ground the edge so that it's nice and straight. And you just take that and run it across your file with the grain of the grooves. And what it will do is, since this is mild steel and just a soft edge, or I don't know if it's mild steel, I'm assuming that it is. I don't know if this camera will pick it up, but it'll put grooves in the end. If you file it real thin, or smash it real thin, and it'll clean that out. Let me do a spot right here in the middle where it's real bad, and you can see where it just pushes the metal right out of those teeth in your file, and it'll clean it right up. So let me just clean this section right here and I'll show you what that looks like when I get done. The backside's pretty good shape on this file. It's kind of an old wore out file, but if you have one that's just plugged up with, like say you're filing aluminum or something, or just steel, just run that through the teeth of the file. Doesn't take very long and you can clean it right up. I'll finish the whole thing and show you what it looks like when that's done. Clean that metal right out of there. Now your file should be good to go, and all you got to do is take your little tool and throw it in a little drawer on your workbench or whatever where you keep the little specialty tools, and anytime your file gets plugged up, you're ready to go. Or you can just clean that thing out real quick and go back to filing. See how it's put serrated edge on the end of that clean. I don't know if you can see it or not on the video, but I'll see when I watch it back and see if that shows up. That'll be a nice file cleaner. Keep that on the bench and ready to go. Thanks for watching.